Hi, this is UI Collabo, the ultimate creative collaboration tool. In this video, we will explain how to invite team members. To invite team members, you must first become a UI Collabo member. Once you have registered, please create your workspace. Click on the profile icon in the upper right corner to select your settings and preferences. Here, click on Settings. Next, on the left side, click on Users. On the top of the screen, you can see two buttons: Invite a member of your own organization and Invite an external organization member. Select the Invite a members of your own organization when adding an internal member, and select Invite an external organization member when adding external users, such as outsourcing partners. Let's assume you want to invite a member from your organization. Click on the Invite a member of your own organization button. Then, type the name, email address, role, and project that you want to assign, then click the Add button. The invited user will receive an email from UI Collabo. This is how to invite team members. Thank you for watching. The ultimate creative collaboration tool. UI Collabo.